Hi Vijay Varma, this is AD. Please welcome to my home. I'm a homebody. I like being at home when I'm not working. I don't really holiday much, so the home needs to feel like a holiday home. My brief to them was I want to make this space a little more intimate, more cozy, more me, a little eclectic, a little contemporary. I said I wanted a lot of texture in the house. I wanted lighter colors. The entire flooring is brown heavy, and even that wall, everything is pretty, there's a lot of wood and brown around. So I wanted to kind of bring in the elements of some lighter tones. I said I want to make this home feel like I don't want to leave it. So a lot of plants, a lot of life, and a lot of art. Yeah. So we've created several different corners. Like this is the living area, that's my entertainment unit, and that's where I keep most of my books. These are not all. I'm still looking at more books to keep at different places. These are all my Hindi books. Books I picked up during my theatre days. Every time I go to Prithvi Theatre, I pick up more books. These are all Sandman series, Neil Gaiman's iconic work. These are comic books that I grew up with. If you see, this is Super Commando Dhruv and Nagaraj. These were my heroes when I was growing up. These are our homegrown Desi superheroes. I love them. Yeah, and some awards. This is special. This is a letter that was sent to me by Mr. Bachchan on Feb 22nd, 2019. This is the reason why I stopped giving auditions. So these are some of the pieces I picked up when I got this house made. I just liked the idea of terraces and a clear blue sky. This portrait was gifted to me by a dear friend and a designer called Karan Turani. I did a campaign for him. So he got some artists to kind of paint a picture of mine. This makes me feel like there are many moods of me, and these are all me in various times of the day. And there's a snake here. This has a story. This is something I picked up from my first movie set, a film called Chittagong. I bought this for like 20 rupees back in 2010. Please come. The love of my life, my sneakers. I've been collecting sneakers maybe from 2018. The first was gifted to me by director Anurag Kashyap. He just gifted me a pair of New Balance shoes and I wore it and I fell in love with it. Come, let me show you another part of the house. But first, Bruce Lee. This is a poster I picked up from the set of Jaane Ja. My character is obsessed with Bruce Lee in the film, and me and my father both are obsessed with Bruce Lee. So my bedroom, my vanity room, and Bruce Lee in the middle. Come. This is the place where I get ready, get my makeup and outfit done here. All of it is part of me, like, my style, my personal style will bleed into the space I'm living in. And like this is the only room where I've indulged in a lot of my own images. So this is my bedroom, and I put a lot of Wonkarwai posters up there. As soon as I moved in, I saw the wall, so we got this framed, and all great Wonkarwai films are something that I dreamed with now. A picture from the sets of Darlings. My mom, she was visiting me. She came and she looked at the image and she went like, "Shaadi kar li tune? Bataya nahi?" And then I just let it. I didn't answer. I wanted to see how long I can run the prank. She went closer and she looked. She's like, "Kaun hai chori? Oh, ye kya pehen rakha hai tune?" And I just kept looking at her, and there's a smile that came on my face, and she figured something is up. And she's like, "Batana to chahiye tha." As I kept quiet, and then I told her it's from the movie, and she started beating me. Home is an extension of who you are. In fact, if there is no synergy between who you are and the space you live in, then there is, a certain kind of imbalance. I wanted to make the space as much as I can, so it gives you an idea of who this person could be.